What is this? You just hit my car door with your door because you can't park. You're sorry? You've damaged my property. That's unacceptable in the eyes of the law. You understand that?
I am sorry.
Well,
I wouldn't appreciate it if someone did it today.
as an adult, do you understand that we have to park in between the lines and not on them?
Yes, I do.
So why are you parked on them?
I didn't realize that when I pulled in. I pulled in and
Well,
got
what you
out of
do
my
is you
car.
use the gift of sight to look at your car and see if it's parked properly. Not that difficult. You just have to be an adult about it.